In today's tutorial, we are going to show ourselves some YouTube advanced settings that we're supposed to know as a creator, as a content creator. So let's get into it now. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are we guys in? I hope we enjoy our weekend. How was our weekend? I hope you guys keep something for me. So welcome back to another Monday tip. So in today's tutorial, we are going to show ourselves YouTube advanced settings that we're supposed to know as a YouTube creator. So we are going to work on our studio also today. So I want us to go from our studio to our settings, from our settings also we'll go to our YouTube channel. So from there, let's get into it now. Okay, we are right here on our studio. So you go to your settings, just click on your settings. Even if you are using your phone also, you can use the same thing. Let me use my hand. It's like this thing is doing crazy. So even if you are using your phone, it's the same thing. So go to your channel, you click on your channel and you'll see right away, you see basic info, you'll see advanced settings, and you'll see brand, you'll see function eligible. Okay, so let's go from here. Direct these keywords will show what you are all about, what your channel is all about. So you must set it, so you must put something there. And here in this country, it's so right now we are going to advanced settings. That is why so many people, they don't really know much about, and they don't go there at all. They don't even bother themselves to set it off. So firstly, we are going to, as of this one, it do show on our video whenever we want to upload video. So the second one, if you want to hide your subscription, so you can hide it from here. Okay, this is where we are going right now, our advanced channel settings. So this is our advanced channel settings direct. So you will see the country where your picture will be there if you customize it. So you will see it, and here right away, this channel keywords, this is what your channel is all about. As you can see, what my own channel is all about right here, and that is that about channel keyword. See, this is your advertisement. So if you have any ad and you want to disable, so I'll advise you not to do that, because if you disable any ad, so it will be difficult for it to show ads on your video. So the second tip I'm going to show us is allow channel recommendation. If you click don't allow, that means YouTube, they won't show your video in some area, so it won't be shown. So you must allow channel recommendation. Because if you go down, you will see the recommendation. You see recommendation channel. So allow my channel to appear in others channel. That is your recommended. So if you press don't allow, that means your video will not be recommended in some areas. It won't show, it will not even show. So here, if you have your website, so you just associate with your website with your channel, it will also boost you and helps you also. One is the Google analytical. So the analytical, it will help you how your analysis, how you are doing well, and how people are visiting you, they are visiting the channel, how many people, how your users are visiting, and what your users are really watching, the most important content they are watching on your content. So you must put it there also. So you find the Google analysis down the page. So what I really like most is that in the analysis, the Google, they will always give you the more content that your audience really love out of your video, out of what you are providing. So that is what you will base on. That is the content that you are gonna provide for them mostly all the times. And another one is that, so let's go to upload divers. And upload divers, it really helps you, because you won't be putting on typing whenever you want to put any content there, or whenever you make any other new video. So you are going to find it right here. You can see where my cursor is. So the basic info is at the title, so you put on your title there. If you don't want to be changing title, at least you have to change title. So whenever you want to change title, so you just go there and adjust your title. You can see mine is there, your distribution, your common words, like you know that you are keep writing often every time. So you can see right here with my own, so you just go there and adjust it. You can see my distribution. You can see most of my common words that I do use, so I don't need to be typing every time. And another one is, make sure you put it on private or unlisted, so you are going to edit it whenever you want to put new video. So your tags also. And let's go to the advanced settings. Okay, so this one, you have to your caption, because if I check most of my audience, my content, my other creators, so most of these capture certification, so is not there. Certifications, yeah, is not there. So you have to always put the FCC, so anyone that you wish to, because some people we are different, so and our content is different also. Yours should be English every time, so it will be more easier for YouTube to substitute your content. So whatever you base on, maybe it's jokes, so just put it there. Let it be there. And here I'm going to just put simple explanation here. So if you want your content to be more creative, most especially for the musics, if you are into music, so just try to allow it to be creative common attribute, so you are giving others access to use your content but not overwrite it. But as for standard YouTube license, you are not allow anyone to use it. If anyone use it, is a copyright. But if you are into music, just try to allow this one, because it will help you to boost fast. If YouTube is using your music, or other creators are using your music, so they will know you fast, and it will also helps your channel. So the community contribution, make sure you put it on. It will also help us. So if you are done with it, so you just save right here, so you just save your content. So unless I forget, right here you can see our branding, so I'm going to use that one as another video next time. So how to make it and how to add it to your video. As you can see here, right here, mine is there, so I'm gonna make use of it as a full video. So we are going to explain better, because it's not right we can easily do right now. And here also is the official eligible, how you can this one also just require phone verifications too, so I'm going to use it as another video for us. So let's jump right here to our permission simply means if you are going to permit anyone to join your channel, or you are going to put anyone as a moderator, or as a manager, or as anyone that can help you to manage your channel. So you just go right there. As you can see, you get the access, the name and the access. You can see mine that as the owner, so you just go right here and you will see invite. So you just invite any email or any name on YouTube, or anyone, any email, Google Gmail, that can help you to manage your channel. So let's just make it fast without wasting of our time. This community right here means anyone that you want to add. Also, it will shows here all the people that you've add as your moderator on your live chat, something like that. It will shows here. Approval, the users approval, it will show here also. They had all the people that you've hide on your channel, that you don't want them to get access to your channel, or you don't like the way they comment on your channel, or you don't like whenever they come to your live stream, that you don't like the way they comment, or you don't want to just see them, so you hide them at this hide user. So that is yeah, so all these ones are block words, all the words that you are blocked, that you don't want to see. For example, like subscribe or sub to sub, something like that, you don't want to see it on your channel, it will appears here also. So these ones are blocks link, so you don't need any links to block. And if you wish to block any link, so right here you just put it up and you will save it. So you are going to block their links. So if you just want to hide them, you just hide them here. So that is that about that. So I hope we've get this video helpful, and I hope we've get one or two things in today's tutorial, and I hope we've really enjoyed how the host have given it to us. So if you really enjoyed today's video, kindly put it down at the comment section, so let us see it at the comment section. So to see you in our next video. Bye for now. Guys, kindly check out the amazing one, how to make use of your new YouTube studio, how to use the YouTube studio to get more familiar with the YouTube studio. So you're gonna get a lot of tips as a content creator, and right app for you to have on your mobile as a content creator. So you have a nice app. We have a video that talks about it, so kindly check it out. So thanks for watching.